Hey guys, listen, every one of us has the right to say no, and we really need to learn how to say no. Matthew, in the Bible, in the book of Matthew, it states, let your yes be yes, let your no be no. And anything in between that, or more than that, is from the evil one. No is a really strange word. It's a hard word for a lot of us. No can mean or represent disappointment. No can mean or represent rejection. And some people even believe that no means you don't love me. But no means none of those things. No is simply a word that you must learn how to say that puts up limits on other people. And it's a word that you have to learn how to say to protect yourself. No doesn't mean anything other than I need to do this for me because I got to set up this boundary, this limit. So before you can really learn how to say no, yes, you got to learn how to say no. And no is a complete sentence. You don't have to explain it. Hey, I hope this video helped you today, and God bless.